Hello everyone, my friends, my subscribers. Welcome to my channel Masakan Ibu Dewi. So how are you guys today? Wish you healthy as always. For ladies out there, I know sometimes we are tired after work, but we still need to cook for our family, right? Don't worry, this recipe just need 20 minutes preparation and 30 minutes cooking. It's Lea and Perrin fried chicken. Let's check out the ingredients. But before that, I need 1 minute of your time to click like, subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below. This is the ingredient for Lea and Perrin's fried chicken. It's very simple and not taking too much of your time. 1 whole chicken cut into 12 pieces. As you wish, you can cut even smaller. 100 ml coconut milk, 60 ml Lea and Perrin sauce, 6 shallots pounded, 2 teaspoons chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon sugar. We mix all the ingredients together. Coconut milk, Lea and Perrin sauce, salad. Ladies, when you fry the chicken, add little bit salad or onion. I'm telling you ladies, the taste will be delicious. Chili powder, you can add extra chili powder because the sugar, it will make the chicken taste sweet. Sorry guys, the bowl are too small. We mix all the ingredients together. We leave the chicken marinate for 1 hour. Well ladies, while we waiting for the chicken to marinate, we prepare the sauce for the chicken. 2 shallots, slice it. 1 red chili, slice it. Or you can add extra. 4 tablespoons Lea and Perrin sauce. 2 tablespoons brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons lime juice. We mix all the ingredients together and leave aside. After 1 hour later, we ready to fry the chicken. Heat up oil in a pan and put the chicken one by one. Cook in medium flame. Ladies, when you fry the chicken, it will stick. It's because we add sugar. Unless you all use non-sticking pan, then it's okay. We cook the chicken until it turns golden brown and the skin is crispy. After it done, we can remove the chicken and drain it. We serve the fried chicken with Lea and Perrin sauce. Okay ladies, that is my recipe for today. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you like the ingredients and try it at home. And don't forget to click subscribe, like, comment and share my video to your friends or your family. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye.